Hello guys, welcome back to Bit 1 Grade. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to make a clock using a Python language. So our goal today is to make this real-time clock using Python. Okay. So let's get into the code. Okay, so this is the code that would produce you the clock that you just saw. Okay. So we're starting this code by importing libraries, which is the khinter and the time. Okay, so you need to import these two Python libraries. Okay, and tkinter. You need this for graphic user interface GUI, and you need a time to get the current real time. Okay, and we are going to start with a class function. Okay, class digital clock. Okay, we define this part first. Okay, to set the master object as an attribute of the class. Okay, then we need to set the title of the program. Okay, so and we are going to set the title to be digital clock. Okay, so if you want something other than digital clock, then you can write down something else. Okay, then we need to create a label with a large font size of 80 and pack it so that it fills the window. Okay, so we are going to choose. We can choose the type of font. Okay, and in this example, I'm going to use the Arial, and the font size will be set to 80. Okay, and if you want the font to be bigger, then you can change the number to 100 or higher. Okay, and lastly, this part will call the update clock method to start the clock. Okay, and the next is the update clock. Okay, so we need to get the current time. Okay, and we can do that by using the time library. Okay, here. So this will give us the current time as a string in this format. Okay, and we need to set the text of the label to the current time. Okay, so and this code will do that, and we schedule the update clock method to be called again in 1000 millisecond, which is the 1 second. Okay, so then we specify the class. Okay, so we can use the class to run the program. Okay, and okay. Okay, and this part will run the program. Okay, so we first create new khinter root object. Okay, then we create the digital clock object with the root object as the master. Okay, so clock is equal to digital clock root in parentheses. Okay, and this digital clock comes from the class we previously defined. Okay, and we start the graphic user interface event loop. Okay, by using this root dot main loop in parentheses. Okay, so let's run this code to see if it actually works. Okay. Okay, so here's the program that we just created, and it works very well. Okay, so and of course you can customize this program by changing font or changing size of font. Okay, so we very briefly covered this very interesting program. Okay, to to see what the Python can do. Okay, so this is the end of this video, and if you like this video, please subscribe and like this video. Okay, so and I will come back with a more interesting video. Thank you for watching. Bye.